Welcome to the Phi Generation Graph Detective. The impact of fraud on the insurance industry and banking sector in the United States is staggering, reaching $308 billion each year in the United States, and this figure has been steadily increasing in recent years. Using cutting-edge Agent and Phi-2 technology, our application unveils hidden connections, identifies patterns, and empowers investors to detect and prevent fraud with unprecedented efficiency and precision. Hello, I'm Mike Lively, team leader, and team members were Matt Ritchie, Asad Ali, Ramesha, Manoon Malak, Mohammed Faisal. In creating this application, we had two groundbreaking questions. Number one, can we throw out the middleman and go directly to data? And number two, can we use an agent to do our analysis simply by telling it what to do, as opposed to writing complex code or doing manual analysis? And the answers were yes and yes. Tools and technologies used in this application were Streamlit Graph, CrewAI and Gemini, and of course Phi-2 by Microsoft. The application architecture started with a Streamlit Graph to graph the nodes, use a Neo4j fraud scenario, use CrewAI and an agent we called Sam, who used a tool called Phi-2 to do our Phi analysis. We also had the opportunity to benchmark Phi-2 versus Gemini, and we found that Phi-2 performed a factor of 4 faster, required less tuning of our agent to get consistent answers, didn't hallucinate on our simple dataset, and was easy to implement in the CrewAI tool. Let's do a quick demo. Opening up our application to the CrewAI folder, under Tools, we see our Phi-2 tools. We see our Microsoft Phi-2. We use the Neo4 insurance papers to develop our data. There's our 10 accident dataset. And in our application, we have Sam, our data analyst, who uses the Phi-2 tools to analyze our graph. Running the application, we see our graphs appear, and there's our claim center with our 10 accidents. And you can see there's various players. There's drivers and lawyers, adjusters, and witnesses, all in this very complex scenario. But Phi-2 has no problem. It easily looks at all the interconnections and determines if there's fraud. Our agent, Sam, jumps into action, and you can see it immediately starts using Phi-2 to analyze our nodes. In a bit, Sam comes up with a solution, and it turns out that we have a problem. Person 4, our lawyer, seems to be a bad actor. Going back to our graph and pulling out person 4, you can see him and various other players or actors are connected to the same accidents, indicating there's a fraud ring. Let's check this out by going back to Neo4's original fraud example that we pulled from their insurance paper. And pulling out lawyer 4, we can indeed see that he is part of a fraud ring. Charting the realms of insurance, e-commerce, and banking, our app ensures security and resilience for these critical industries. As the industry continues to expand, our innovative solution stands ready to meet the evolving needs of professionals engaged in fraud detection and prevention in financial sectors. What sets us apart? Utilizing Phi-2 and agents, our app uniquely identifies hidden connections and patterns, providing an unmatched solution, a 10,000% efficiency in the market. Many thanks to the team. You did an amazing job. You just kicked this one out of the park. Thank you. This was Mike Lively.